The Archibus extension for Revit is a dedicated application that allows users to extract data directly from the Revit model. The tool provides a bidirectional synchronization between Revit and Archibus, maps parametric data by family, and transfers published enterprise graphics from the model in 2 or 3D into Archibus. Revit is an Autodesk application that creates a virtual twin, an assembly of a facility in digital format. The model is composed of individual components or assets, each of them a digital twin of their real counterpart. Most component models are created by manufacturers and are filled with valuable parametric data that can be extracted. Archibus connects to Revit data by Revit level. Once you log in into Archibus, you click on the desired level to catalog all the space elements like rooms, areas, groups, or zones that you require as needed. The system connects to the appropriate level with the properties functionality and establishes a bidirectional synchronization connector that will support data transfer into Archibus and back into Revit. Each Revit component, in this case room object, contain many built-in and shared parameters that are its identity. In this case, room 201 has a primary key, 201, a name, office, and dimensional parameters like area. It is important to note that all these parameters are stored in the Revit database and can be extracted and transferred into Archibus via the extension. The mapping functionality establishes the connection between the databases by mapping parameters between Revit by category and type and Archibus by table and field. The tool allows you to see all available Revit parameters by category, in this case rooms, and map them to their corresponding fields, in this case to the room table. Once the mapping is complete, all you need to do to capture the entire room data on this floor or level is catalog. The system does not require any additional information to capture this information because the requirement for a three-part primary key, building and floor from properties, and room ID from the Revit parameter number is inherent in the process. As you can see in Smart Client, the information is immediately transferred and is now part of the Archibus database. Adding a new parameter is a matter of mapping. One useful parameter that can be helpful in space planning is the space name, in this case the room name. Notice that the field room name is empty in Smart Client. A quick look at the Revit room parameters show that the Revit database calls the room name parameter name. As we already seen, Archibus calls the same field room name. All we need to do to prime information transfer between the data units is to map the Revit name to the Archibus room name and catalog. The catalog command will update the Archibus database with the new incoming information. The next step is to capture the floor plan enterprise graphics. Enterprise graphics are all the visual elements that are necessary to view and interact with the facility and its assets in Archibus Web Central. You can capture the floor plan layout and all its components in 2D by level or 3D by building, with the help of the publish functionality. Once published, you can go to Web Central, in this case the Space Console, and see the Revit level as published, view its architectural layers from Revit, and apply or allocate additional Archibus information onto the floor plan like room types or department. Remember that the Archibus information can be also established in Revit via shared parameters and viewed directly in the model.